Hi, GMA. My name is Mary Kelly, and I get to be with you August 18, 2021. We're going to talk about master your world wherever you are. Now, some of my folks say, but Mary, I'm not really in a leadership position. I'm not the CEO. I'm not the boss. I'm not the manager. I don't have the fancy title. This is why master your world wherever you are is for you. This means at all levels of every organization, we need people who are leaders, whatever that looks like. If you're in a position where you influence anyone, a customer, a client, you help someone else, guess what? You're a leader. If you're more senior, you'll find ways that are going to help you improve your productivity, your communications, and maybe even a little bit of motivation for your team. This is one of my most popular programs. It's based on the book Master Your World, 10 Inspired Lessons to Improve Productivity, Profits, and Communication. We're going to have a great day. I'm going to share with you not only the 12-month business accountability and success planner, but also a series of the best, most popular 5-minute plans. These are tools, techniques, and tactics that your people can use right away to start doing better, things that are going to decrease your workload, your stress, and improve your productivity. The idea is to help you in 57 minutes, which I think is my allotted time, to help you in 57 minutes have a better year coming up, make things more productive, more effective, and overall just enhance your well-being. Can't wait to see you there. Thank you so much.